All right, everybody wants to know what's going on here right now. What's happening?
We're spelling 52nd Van Nationals out of vans.
Out of vans.
Yep. Here in
And get an aerial
Albert Lea,
shot.
Minnesota.
Yep. And there's the man in charge right there.
No. He is. He is. All right.
It ain't got nothing to do with it.
Bring me one.
All right, well, we're getting them lined up, and we'll have that aerial shot up for you soon. You can download it at JJLightning.
Sure.